Okay, I just discovered this little trick that works pretty slick. So, if you insert a piece and it's not oriented correctly, like I'd like this to be rotated 90 degrees, so it at least will help me visualize what touches what. So if you just click on the piece and right click, no, just click on it or double click. Look at what it gives you. A little thing where you can rotate. Okay. And then hit enter or click off. Yeah, click off of it. Then you can kind of, maybe get a top view here, move it over this way. Don't put it right where you want it, just get it close. So then, oh, here, let's get like this view. Now I know I need to pull it down, get it close. I'm not going to put it all the way, but because now I want this fastener to do the rest of the job. And now I can see a lot easier that like that is gonna touch that. Sweet. That is pretty slick. Now you may notice that they don't align perfectly. I'm zoomed way the heck in here, right? But that's the kerf. When you zoom out, you don't really see it, and you won't on your box when you actually cut it out. That's that kerf. We're actually cutting these slightly bigger so that the width of the laser um, helps us keep the box together. Okay, there you go. Little hint for you. Hope that was helpful.